Me name me Luke Drake. We work also one Professor Loplacia along California State University Northridge, along Los Angeles, USA. Me glad will make a video ya him one talk savvy about one Goodfellow project where you me just start them. Him one partnership between me with them Breakthrough Women's Voice Vanuatu, where Ogatoli based along Port Vila, with them some Narafala partners or some Hango Hango Community Association.
All I can count on, looking far ahead, grasping all there is to it.
And project ya Himi Waterwise Gardening and Melanesian Food Heritage.
But we're still standing strong. Oh come what may.
So one and by happen, you may start them one project, long look savvy, how now you may use them all tank, how now you may use them all tank, with them all well, when you use them, we'll make them irrigation, we'll make them all small backyard gardening projects, with them all traditional kakai, all some taro, kumala, island kapis, yam, with the manioc. Ting behind long project, hemi belong join them, all custom savvy, or how long you plan them, all traditional kakai, or traditional crops, or some manioc, taro, island kabis, kumala. We belong join them all custom fashion now or traditional fashion, with them all new fala fashion, where him just come out, where him also drip irrigation, where belong use them rainwater tanks or rainwater wells. Belong you me savvy use them rainwater come out, belong water them or crops belong you me.
50,000 people long Port Vila Mall area around Knockdown is tab using water where Yunel Koi Karem out long on Hollow Stone we stop underneath Lo Tagabe River.
You mean no manage him good hemia? But river ya is avelus lonia 10, 20, 30, 40 years. Worst case scenario, but you knock out water now.
Suppose you stop the town more pem water, you save use some water tank, blow make him car and him is savvy down and expenses blow you. More too from say climate change, him be good you may make use long of rainwater, suppose water supply low whole blow stone him may go down. Drip irrigation him one good follow away but look out some good water, from say him may put some water slow straight low stampataro or island cabbages no more. Water in your own way, you know waste some water. It may be good to us when time long dry or time you know got rain.
Interest long backyard gardening, him come on top now ya. Suppose you got rainwater tank finish, more you live long town, you use them water no more, long you water them crops for you. From El Nino, with them all not about something or some climate change, you must look say all dry time, you come big one more, time long dry, you must look out them good, all water blue you me.
Pacific Development and Conservation Trust, only based on New Zealand, only give hand, by only paying tank, more irrigation supplies, long Bilam Karen, long some fella churches, long Port Vila.
Project, him me go ahead long two fella place. From say COVID, him me make them all already fast long travel go to Vanuatu. Make him say, Mimi stop along Los Angeles, USA. Mimi got one project site Loplacia, but I got some videos come out, but Mimi put them where videos by stop along Bislama. When you me look say how now will you me set them up all drip irrigation. From say some fella fashion him me different. Even where suppose you use some one irrigation or some commercial agriculture finish where you got one pump with him. Suppose you me use some rainwater tank, drip irrigation him me different. From say pressure him me no big one too much. So me must set them up straight low gravity fed system no more. From say you me try and capture them every drip where you come out long drip irrigation where him me go straight long plant for you. We want them tell them on big fala thank you to mas long Breakthrough Women's Voice Vanuatu. Motu with them Hango Hango Community Association. First one video, one talk save no more. I got some fella video back again by come out. Thank you to mas back again.